Joining me on Mobile World Live today is Gilad Garon, who is the CEO at ASOCS, and Sanjay Mewada, who's the Chief Strategy and Marketing Officer at Affirmed Networks. Gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me.
Thank you for having us, Justin.
Happy to be talking to you, Justin.
Great to have you both with us today. Now, both ASOCS and Affirmed Networks recently made headlines with the announcement of the first 5G private networks deployed in Taiwan. And they're being used in an active Industry 4.0 production line that's really enabling smart manufacturing. Gilad, to start with, give us a bit of brief background on that project, if you can, please.
Sure, Justin. So at a high level, what you saw in that project was really how 5G cloud and Industry 4.0 really come together, right? So there's been a lot of talk in the industry about these three technologies, and what was nice to see in Inventec is how does it translate into a real-life event. So the Inventec venue was a classical assembly line for high-end electronics. It's a combination of delicate human assembly and automated optical inspection machines, which were tethered by cable, in the classical format. And what Inventec was aiming to achieve were two primary goals. One, to get rid of the cable, and B, to see how does 5G can really bring them efficiencies, as we all know in these production lines, finding defects early on translates into efficiencies and then to profit. And I believe we have been successful in achieving both these goals, as Sanjay will elaborate shortly.
Yeah, thanks, Gilad. Of course, Industry 4.0, well, it promises to bring technologies such as IoT, automation, and robotics to manufacturing. So with that, Sanjay, what kind of use cases were really enabled by this deployment, and how did they benefit Inventec?
So enterprises in general are turning to private cellular networks to enable all kinds of use cases, but specifically those that require ultra-reliable and low-latency communications, enhanced mobile broadband, and massive machine-type communications are ideally suited. So most of these use cases are centered on next iteration of industrial automation, human-robo collaboration, and manufacturing process control. So let's look at two of them in context of Inventec. The AI-based automatic optical inspection that Gilad just mentioned on the manufacturing and assembly line at Inventec, where high-definition 2D, 3D images are transmitted to an AI analysis system over 5G to identify component misplacements, defects, and enable real-time reviews. So what this has done, it has helped increase the auto inspection accuracy to over 90% and reduce the reinspection labor force between 30 to 50%. It increased the first pass yield dramatically to somewhere between 70 to 85%, achieving an overall workforce savings of 15 to 20%. So we are also seeing concrete use cases in automated guided vehicles that handle raw materials and finished products, working seamlessly in large-scale environments with real-time tracking without being restricted to latency issues associated with Wi-Fi. So having a secure network that supports a vast number of connections, it's now feasible to rapidly deploy and adjust all of these production lines and machine idle time. And this cuts across industries. So it's in logistics and shipping operations, and with less than 5 millisecond performance of a 5G enterprise network, you can expect similar numbers. So these are just some of the benefits that we are seeing from a real world use cases and deployments.
Yeah, it's clear that private networks, it's a big trend in enterprise connectivity, particularly in the so-called smart manufacturing space. And both Affirmed Networks and ASOCS play a big role in this market. Sanjay, from your perspective, what made Inventec select Affirmed Networks to really power its Industry 4.0 initiative?
So we believe Inventec chose to partner with Affirmed for 4 key reasons. First, the technology. The Unity Cloud solution, which is the best-in-class 5G mobile core, it delivers unrivaled performance for Industry 4.0 needs. Second, proven market leadership, which has given us extensive virtualization and cloud-based deployment experience with multiple 5G deployments all over the world. Third, an open architecture that's on which the solution has been built. Fourth, our extensive partnerships, which provide Inventec with the freedom to customize and fine-tune the solution to their needs. As mentioned earlier, one of Inventec's main goal was to transform its manufacturing site into smart factories, leveraging smart technologies such as AI, IoT, big data, and to really automate its manufacturing operation to the next level. And to accomplish this, you need a very trusted network with a mobile core that has the performance, scale, and security capabilities of a carrier-grade network, and optimized for connecting robots, devices, machines, and processes. And that's what Unity Cloud is. A cloud-native solution built on open web-scale architecture for 5G networks. Another essential factor was our partner ecosystem, which includes systems integrators, technology partners, world's leading service providers working together to deliver a complete end-to-end 5G solution. And this is important because Affirmed, a Microsoft company, believes that service providers are integral to enterprise connectivity and transformation as they provide that critical link to accelerate 5G. And working together with partners such as ASOCS, HPE, Wavin, we are focused on delivering that innovation that enables Inventec and other such companies to progress towards Industry 4.0 successfully.
And let's bring in Gilad back in again. Gilad, from ASOCS's point of view, what do you think made Inventec so excited about working with your company?
Well, speaking to them, I believe that the three main benefits that they identified was A, the fact that we're a software solution or pure software solution, B, the fact that we're built on open RAN principles, and the third is that we're cloud native. So let's break that quickly. The software element is clear. ASOCS is a pure software provider. Uniquely in the market does not require any type of hardware acceleration of any sort, and that makes customers like Inventec happy because they can better deal with the solution, download it, operate it, and manage it moving forward. The second point is the open RAN principles. Justin, as you know, ASOCS has been for years an advocate for the Open RAN community and this so-called 7.2 O-RAN split. So when we came to the table, we had both the technology and the broad selection of radio units that would be applicable to these projects. Just as a refresh, these Open RAN radios have two main attributes. One, they're just a networking device with an IP address, so it's really easy to manage and upgrade and control from a customer and integrator point of view. And B, they have a very long life cycle because their firmware can be upgraded to support the future additions in the 5G standard that we all know is really, really a young standard. And I think the third point, which correlates with what Sanjay has said, is the fact that we're cloud native. So that made the integration and work with Affirmed easy. And it enables Inventec to add other third-party software and partners to the table later on, vendors that come from the AI world, from the analytic world, and including its own homegrown industrial applications. So I think that the combination of software, openness, and cloud nativeness is what made a difference for Inventec.
Well, it's a great case study. Thank you very much for giving us more detail, gentlemen. And I should point out as well to our viewers that we recently conducted a webinar with ASOCS and Affirmed Networks, a 45-minute webinar where our viewers can find out more information on this. A replay is available on mobileworldlive.com. Gilad and Sanjay, thank you very much for sharing your experience with us. Thank you.